nandito tayo sa bahay, guys. Mag-unboxing po tayo. May in-order si Ma'am Shi from Amazon. Paano ba yun? Air pump, guys. Electronic air pump. Gamitin namin to siya sa inflatable swimming pool. Inflatable swimming pool. To electronic air pump or electric air pump po. Magugustuhan to ni Julian. Look, guys. Cars, guys. Disney cars. Disney Pixar cars. Ayan. Andyan si Lightning McQueen. Andyan yung ano niya, yung lorry niya, si Mac. Lorry truck na si Mac. Ano to siya, guys? May nakalagay. Changing color siya, guys. So, kung mabasa siya, magiging black. Magiging red. Then, kung ano, black siya. Ano ba? So, ano siya, guys? Color changer auto. Color changer car. Si Lightning McQueen. Ayan. Then, ito si Mac. Yung lorry truck niya. Itong electric air pump, gagamitin po namin to sa inflatable pool. Kasi, last time, ang ginamit namin, meron mga electric air pump. Kaso, hindi siya malakas. It takes a while, and then, ang patience namin, parang na-test ang aming patience sa isa naming electric pump. Actually, hindi namin yung electric pump. Namin yun, sa kapitbahay namin, hiniram namin yung electric pump na yun. At maliit siya, so, di kaya ang power. Kaya, ayun, na-test ang patience namin. So, ito, nag-order na kami sa sarili naming air pump. I hope, mas mabilis ito kasi sa isa. More for Julian, guys. So to, guys, this is for Julian. It's for learning how to, sa days of the calendar. So 1 to 31. Then lagay mo Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then morning, lunch or afternoon, and then evening. Ito ano niya. Distinguish niya ang mga picture. And then ito yung months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, until December. At ito yung season. 4 season. Ngayon medyo tayo. Going spring. I think this week or next week is the official first day of spring. So, patapos na yung winter, guys. And then, ayan, ito yung niya. Then, yung time. Time niya, guys. Ito yung time. Kasi, curious si Julian, Mommy, why is it, how do you say it's 8 o'clock? Ganun na mga questions. So, ayan, nagbili na kami nito para madali niya ma-understand. Hopefully, ma-understand niya to. At, yeah, it takes time, It takes time. Siya, guys, good for 36 months old. Yan. So, yan, 3 years old plus. Yan. Pwede siya. And then, good, siya for thinking and hand, eyes, coordination, and then communication, interaction, ito. So, I think this is nice toy or nice educational toy for kids. Especially sa mga toddlers na very curious. What is the day-to-day? What time is it? Mga ganon. Oo, then, mga ganon na, na happenings. And then yung, Mommy, what is the day-to-day? Is it Monday, Tuesday? Mga ganon. Yan, so, I hope he will like this. And I think he will. So, ito guys. And then this one. It's a speed push game machine. Na-remember niyo yung pang bubble press or bubble wrap na parang satisfying toy, yung ipapress mo din mag-ano siya, parang bubble wrap. So ito siya parang ganito. Ito siya parang same sa bubble wrap or bubble pop na na plastic. So ito siya, game siya guys, game. Lagay mo lang yung battery dito. I'm not sure anong battery. AAA battery. Then, maglaro ka lang. I-press mo lang siya. I-press. Ito. Tingnan ko kung may AAA ako. Medyo maaraw. So, minove ko yung camera guys ha. So, ayan guys. May tayo, 3 batteries. AAA batteries. So, let's try if it works. I'm not sure kasi itong batteries ko I used. So, I'm not sure if it's still working or not. So, let's try this guys. I have the batteries. 3 AAA batteries. So, ito guys. Oh, sun is so Yan. Then how do you turn it on? This. So again. Ganun lang siya, guys. Hindi ako I don't know. But it's not really expensive. Siya, cheap. Pero I'm a bit disappointed. Wala siyang sounds. There is it's a 4 game modes. Breakthrough mode, memory mode, scoring mode, and multiplayer mode. Here's siya, and then But anyway, i-experiment ko to mamaya, guys. Medyo bago pa, so wala pa akong clueless pa si Ma'am Shi. So, experiment natin to mamaya. Ayan. At, ayan. Later, pupunta kami sa karate ni Julian and we'll see how he's enjoying it or how he's coping it, or yeah, we'll see what he will be doing there. So, yeah. All in all, I'm okay with what I ordered. But this one is a bit, I don't know. Ewan ko lang. I don't know. Because I saw this and it's marked down price and it's very inexpensive. So I was like, let's try it. Kasi ang maximum, yung delivery fee, if you go to that amount, you have a free delivery. So that's why in-order ko to siya para okay na yung yung amount at maka-avail ng free delivery. So ayan, hindi naman siya kamahal, hindi rin siya okay lang yung presyo niya, siyang cheapest inexpensive price than the rest. Ito siya. So that's why yan. Nakulangan kasi ako, so dinagdag ko to para maka-avail tayo ng free delivery sa Amazon. So, ganun. So, yun lang yung disadvantage yan. Hindi ko yung volume. Pero, tingnan lang natin, guys, kasi beginner pa po ako. At i-observe ko muna to. I-experiment ko to mamaya, ha? So, guys. Cute siya, ha? Unicorn. Yan. So, thank you so much. See you later. One more.
Das ist gute Technik.
Stop.
Ja, gut. Schlag fest. Gut, super.
One more.
Gut. Mit Faust. Jeder und mal.
Go, keep.
Gut. Jawohl. Nochmal noch. Guter Kick. Gut. Kick. Gut. Suki mit Faust. Mit Faust. Ja, und mal. Jawohl.
Fünf, Julian, 5.
6. Gut. 7. 3. 6. Schnell eine 1. 4. 4. Mit Faust. Gut. 2. 5.
5, Julian, 5.
3.